My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the adware called ActivityConsole. ActivityConsole stands for the new adware belonging to the AdLoad family. This particular adware, once installed, starts to display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this activity console was somehow installed into your computer, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware from the system. So how to do that? On your Finder, check your applications. Right, click on this activity console, adware, and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.